Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and taking a look at the Land of Giants Oracle deck by Steven Hutton. This is published by US Game Systems and retails for $22.95 in the US. And as always, in the description box below, I will link where you can legitimately purchase this should you want to. And thank you so much to US Games for sending this deck my way. Now let's get into it. This looks adorable. Abandoned long ago by its human residents, Whitworth Hall in northern England is now inhabited by the small folk who took over the estate and renamed it Lockhart. The rooms and relics left behind in decaying splendor tell the stories of the land of giants. The tiny fairies and mystical creatures share their adventures in this 42-card oracle through powerful images, messages, and lessons. The 56-page illustrated guidebook also includes 3 custom card spreads. All right, packaging is cute. It's a little like book style, little snail. Oh my gosh. Deer. Okay. Ooh, the cards are long. Ah, okay. So before we get into that, I just want to take a peek at the guidebook here. Table of contents. We have background, the cards, spreads, master plan, and about the creator. Okay, abandoned in the 50s, Whitworth Hall in northern England remains uninhabited to this day, by people that is. With the humans gone, the, quote, small folk, unquote, emerged and took the hall as their own. Mystified by the decorative door handles throughout, they named the hall Lockhart. For Lockhart's otherworldly residents, the corridors, chambers, furniture, and relics left behind in decaying splendor truly represent the land of giants. Oh my gosh, this is adorable. Okay, and then it goes right into the card meanings. I do want to take a peek at the spreads. Here we go. So we have top to bottom, Trinity of Days, Master Plan. Oh my God, it's like a little floor plan. Oh, this is adorable. And then about the creator. Very, very cool. Okay, I'm very excited. We'll get back to the guidebook after the flip through. I'm going to unwrap this and be right back. Okay, there's the back. Beautiful filigree there. Let's talk cardstock. US Game System cardstock, just right for me personally. I like the feel of it. It snaps back wonderfully, very flexible, nice. And it is a gloss. You know what? I'm going to measure it real fast. Okay, so we've got about 3.5 wide, and we got 5, a little over 5.5. Maybe I'm off. Long. Nice size. Not bad. Not too bad. Alrighty. This is so cute. What a great concept. I'm going to read the title of the cards just because they might not show up too well on the screen, but we have Animate, Back Off. Oh my gosh, it's a dragon. Oh, cute. A little whisper of shh. Barriers. Beautiful art style. Blockage. They look like little berries. Oh, I cannot with the cuteness. Climbing the scale. It's a piano key. Oh my gosh, there's so many little details in the art. I could literally sit here and find something new every single time. Oh my gosh. Completeness. Puzzle piece. Oh, in the world. Cooperation. Phenomenal. Dawn. Dream Tree. Element. Forget Me Not. From the North. Guardian. Hail. Oh, that's so cute. Very similar there. Halls of the Dead. Honor. Independence. Lady Silk. Ooh. Little spider lady. Made Anew. Misadventure. Uh-oh. New Look. Cute. She painted this. Oh, that's so sweet. Nightmare. Ooh. Nightshade. Nurturing. Old Master. Opportunity. Promises. Revival. This is so creative and so fun. Risks and rewards. I feel like I'm like jumping into like a fantastical story, a new world. The art is gorgeous, rough and ready. Self-awareness. So near yet so far. Temptation. I feel like this is a great deck for every day, maybe even for inner child work, shadow work, territory. That's all. Ooh, the Green Forge. Tiger Moth. Oh my God, it's precious. Oh, that's stunning. Two Worlds. Unknowable. Yearning. Yellow Dragon. Oh, it's like a bulldozer. And Yourself. Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Let's shuffle this and see how it goes. Not bad at all. Since it is a longer card, you might have to finagle it a little bit to get used to shuffling it. I do want to see if it shuffles side by side because that would be easier. Oh yeah. So if you have small hands and you want to get this deck, definitely try doing it side by side this way. Shuffles just fine. And this way too, overhand. Okay, can I get a card to read, please? Okay, we're going to read for That's All. All right, they are alphabetical in the book, so you'll flip through it just fine. Okay, we have some keywords up here: appreciation, adaptability, simplicity. Despite their bad reputation, trolls are devoted parents. Lar doesn't need much to please her young. A sink full of slimy water will do, and that's all. She's content to have her most basic needs met, which many of us take for granted. Wanting can seem such a fundamental desire that we seldom stop to consider if we need the things we want so badly. Has junk accumulated in life? Items once greatly desired, yet that now seem jaded? It's time to prune back the dead wood. And then we have a reversed meaning. Lar has no concept of what's fashionable. Reversed, this card asks the reader to consider whether they have been too fixed on appearances, their self-image, or their possessions. It encourages us to break, or at least bend, convention and dare to be unfashionable for once. Oh my God, I love it. This deck, I don't know, it calls to my inner child so much. It's just so beautifully done. I love how creative it is. I love the different little characters in here. I love how deep it can get. I feel so many different emotions when flipping through these cards. It's just stunning. I want like a full-blown book of these characters, like the experiences, everything. This is just so beautiful. And the price tag for $22.95, I really think that's fair. The quality of the cards, the art, I'm thrilled with it. I have nothing of criticism to say. I think I would love more actually of background about each of the characters because they're so well fleshed out in the art. So with that being said, I would love to know what your thoughts are on this deck. Are you excited about it? Is this a deck that you never would have thought it would call to you and now you want it? What are all of your thoughts? Please let me know down in the comment section below. Thank you so much to US Game Systems for sending this my way. I am so thrilled to start to get to know this on a deeper level. And thank you all for hanging out with me today. I love you and I like you. If you have not done so already, it would help me out greatly if you liked, subscribed, and hit that notification bell on your way out of here. That way you will never miss an upload from me, and it helps me with the algorithm gods. Thank you again, and have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.